Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will be showing you guys how I did these gorgeous passion twists. I'm going to need packs of Freetress Waterwave hair. I used 7 packs. You're also going to need a crochet hook, and you're going to need something that'll really hold your hair together. I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel. I'm going to start by sectioning my hair. I made sure that my hair was free of curls or that it was semi-stretched. And to section my hair from the back, I know it's hard to see, so what I did was I sat in front of a mirror and I put another mirror behind me so that way I could see what I'm doing in the back of my head. And this made the sectioning a lot easier when doing the back part. Hopefully that made a little sense, but you could kind of see the setup that I have. You could kind of see the smaller mirror that I have behind me and then the mirror that I'm standing in front of. Now that I did my straight line, I'm just going to section my hair now into small squares. And I'm going to be adding the conditioning gel that I mentioned earlier in the video, the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel. And then I am going to be putting rubber bands. And then I am just going to be repeating the same process until my whole head is sectioned out. Now that my entire hair is sectioned off, I'm going to be taking 2 strands of the hair and I'm going to be separating the curls and fluffing them out. Once I'm done fluffing them out, I am going to make one side of each strand shorter than the other, and then I am going to be putting them together, and this will add length to the hair. Then I'm going to be twisting the middle of the hair, going to get my crochet hook, put it in the sectioned part, add the hair to the hook, and I'm going to pull the hair through. I'm going to then grab the loop and I'm going to put one side of the hair through the loop and I'm going to be tightening it. This will help cover the rubber band and will help the hair stay intact. Now I'm going to add some gel to my natural hair. The more that you add to your hair, the less likely it'll be that it shows on the twist, but I like the messy look, so I didn't put too much on my natural hair. I like the brown of my natural hair to show in the twist, so this is just my personal preference. But you're going to then want to tighten your hair, and then you're just going to twist all the way until you reach the very bottom of the hair. Make sure that you're twisting all the way down to the ends so that the twist could stay in place. That is how I do these passion twists. This is a really cute and easy protective style to do. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next video.